Are you ready to transform your YouTube watching habits into a cash generator? In this video, we're about to unveil an incredible opportunity that lets you make $3 per minute by simply watching YouTube videos. It's like turning your screen time into a money-making marathon. Whether you're a fan of content or just looking for a fun way to earn, this method is your gateway to quick cash. Stay tuned as we explain how you can make $3 per minute watching YouTube videos. Let's dive in and turn your entertainment into earnings.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Let's begin by discussing the initial steps to kickstart this money-making journey. First and foremost, you'll need a YouTube account. If you don't already have one, no worries. I'll guide you through the simple process of creating one. Here's how to get started. Head over to youtube.com and you'll be prompted to sign in. But since you're new, click on Create Account for Myself to initiate the sign-up process. Now fill in your essential details, which include your first name, last name, email address, and password. After completing these fields, simply click on Next to proceed. Having your own YouTube account is a crucial step in this money-making method. You'll see how it plays a pivotal role in maximizing your earnings later on. And the best part is that it doesn't cost you a penny. It's completely free. What's even more exciting is the array of payment options available to you. You have the freedom to choose how you want to receive your hard-earned money, with options including PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and more. Personally, I find PayPal to be one of the most convenient choices. It's a widely accepted and trusted platform, available worldwide, ensuring you get paid seamlessly and instantly. Before we delve deeper into the method, let's ensure you have a PayPal account. Don't worry, setting one up is a breeze and takes less than 5 minutes. Just head over to paypal.com and follow the straightforward sign-up process. Now let's explore the website where you'll be putting this method into action. This platform serves as an online marketplace that connects freelancers with business owners worldwide, offering a wide array of affordable tasks. It's the cornerstone of your money-making venture, aptly named sproutgigs.com. This website provides multiple avenues for making money online. Whether you're currently employed and seeking a side hustle or looking to generate a substantial income, sproutgigs.com has something to offer. One of its intriguing features is the opportunity to earn money simply by watching videos. The beauty of it is that you can do this in your spare time, and you don't need any technical expertise or prior experience. All it entails is hitting the play button, watching video, and collecting your earnings. This is the page where you can witness the daily and even hourly earnings of people using this platform. Here you'll find records of the latest completed tasks, including the nicknames of the workers and their cumulative earnings. It's a global community with participants hailing from diverse countries, such as Nigeria, Brazil, Pakistan, Mongolia, and many more. The earning potential on this website is impressive. People are raking in hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. There are individuals earning $20, $100, $500, and some have even crossed the $1,000 mark. It's nothing short of amazing. Additionally, you can view the latest requested withdrawals, including the chosen payment options and withdrawal amounts. These tangible proofs of payments demonstrate that users have successfully cashed out their earnings. However, it's crucial to manage expectations. This method won't make you wealthy overnight, nor is it intended to replace your primary source of income. Instead, view it as a supplementary avenue to bolster your existing earnings. Remember, every little bit counts, and sproutgigs.com offers a legitimate and effective way to do just that.
Before we continue, please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Let's get you started on your journey to making money online. Click the Sign Up option located here to create your free account and initiate your money-making venture. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a page where you need to provide some basic information. Follow these steps. Fill out your real name and email address. Create a password. Enter your chosen nickname. Select your country from the comprehensive list provided. The good news is they accept participants from all corners of the globe, so choose your country accordingly. After completing these steps, indicate that you're a worker and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, click the Sign Up button. Your account is now created, and you're ready to start making money online. I'll guide you through the process, so don't worry. Once your account is set up, log in and you'll be greeted by your brand new dashboard. Here, you'll discover a variety of job listings, each offering different earning potentials. On the right-hand side, you can see how much money you can potentially make from each task. Now, I'd like you to modify the category by selecting Video Marketing and then click on Apply. This will reveal a plethora of job opportunities specifically related to video marketing, many of which involve getting paid to watch videos. Imagine all you have to do is click on a YouTube video and enjoy it from the comfort of your own home. You can do this at your convenience, whether it's day or night, all while earning money. So how does this process work? Click on any job from the list. Since this is a new account, you'll be required to provide some basic information about yourself, including your date of birth, city, a security question, and its corresponding answer. Now, let's explore how much you can earn by simply watching the video. Here's what's expected of workers. Start by visiting youtube.com. Manually search for specific keywords and be sure not to copy them. Look for a video with a particular thumbnail. Avoid using filters like newly uploaded, since they won't qualify for payment. Watch the video for at least 9 minutes without skipping. It's essential not to skip any part. Otherwise, you won't receive payment. You must also like the video. The trick here is to mute the video and let it play in the background. You don't need to actively watch the entire video. By doing this, you'll be making money online passively. However, since there may not always be a surplus of jobs that pay for watching YouTube videos, if you wish to maximize your results and earnings on this platform, consider completing other tasks. These tasks are quite straightforward, suitable for beginners, and can help you earn more money. This website operates as the microjobs platform, where people pay you for engaging with their content. Tasks may include liking their Facebook posts, a simple one-tap action. You can also get paid for clicking on links and visiting websites. While the pay may not be exceptionally high, it's certainly worthwhile considering the minimal effort involved. For those looking to supplement their income online, this platform offers an excellent opportunity. You can then consider investing the earnings you've made through this website in assets or ventures you believe will appreciate over time. The platform also provides jobs like signing up for various platforms, requiring only basic information, such as your email address, first and last name, for which you'll receive payment. The beauty of this platform is its flexibility. You can complete as many tasks as you like. By dedicating a few hours to these jobs, you can accumulate earnings quickly. You've likely noticed that some individuals on this platform are already making thousands of dollars. It's a testament to the earning potential it offers.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.